just a piece of wood. Wow. Wow. Very nicely packaged. There it is, out of the box. Very nicely packaged. Nice clamp down so nothing moves. Today we're going to be reviewing my heat press that I got from HeatPress Nation. It is the Signature Series 15 by 15 with the auto open and the slide out drawer. This piece of machinery cost about $640. That includes taxes and a 2-year protection. Shipping on the product was free. The last I checked, this particular model is out of stock at HeatPress Nation. However, when I purchased mine, this was last year, it was out of stock then, and I pre-ordered in like a week. I got it because a shipment was on the way. So don't be afraid to go ahead and order it. If it is out of stock, they are very good with their customer service and giving you information on when the product is going to arrive and everything like that. So don't be afraid to pre-order if you are going to purchase something from their site that's out of stock. We have the slide out drawer here. Comes a good distance out, as you can see. The heat press is not on right now, but just to give you an idea of where your hands are when you're working on it, this is where it would be. So a good distance out so that you have a lot of area that's not directly under the heat so you don't burn your hands. Because this thing is like an oven. It gets super hot when it's on. Let's move around. Let's slide this drawer in and move around to the side just to give you an idea of what it looks like over here. Now we have the power gauge here, and as you can see, it's got 2 fuses here. They say that allows to give it more power, I believe. Of course, the HeatPress Nation contact information if you need it. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it on, bring you up to the gauge at the top. And I'm here in the US, so we use Fahrenheit here. As you can see, the temperature is kind of going up right now. And basically what's going to happen is it's trying to reach 385 in temperature. This is the temperature of it going up. Right here is the seconds that it will keep the lid closed. So let's say I'm pressing a garment at 385 for 7 seconds. After the 7 seconds are up, the clamshell will pop up and the shirt will be done. So when moving through the adjustments, you want to press the OK button. That's how you can switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So see how it just switched there just by pressing the down button. I'm going to leave it on Fahrenheit. Then we're going to go to the temperature. Let's say I want to go up to, I don't know, let's go 390. Hit OK. This is the seconds for how long it'll take for it to open. Let's just take it to 10. Hit OK. And boom. So everything's good to go. Right now the temperature is just trying to get up to 390, and once it does, the heat press will beep to let you know that it's ready. So right here, That little orange number there is a counter. It shows you how many shirts that you have pressed. So we'll wait for it to come back up. And while we do that, show you the other side. Just so you can see. And this board here that it's on came with the actual heat press, and I decided to leave it on the board because of the table that I have. It's a little plastic table that you would find in a cafeteria or something like that. Just so you can see underneath. This right here is how you increase the pressure on the plate here. This right here is the magnetic, well actually I think this right here is the magnet. This will connect to that, which will keep it closed, and then it releases it once the timer goes off. So this right here is the secondary leverage handle that comes with the heat press. I obviously don't have it connected, but when you go on the site, it'll tell you what it's used for. It's basically to provide added leverage to make sure you have full control of your machine. As of yet, I haven't had to use it at all. So, you know, if I do, I'll let you know. But it does come with the machine, and I'm probably guessing that it goes somewhere up in here to connect there. All right, so as you can see, the temperature has reached 390 on the heat press, and it is notifying me that, hey, the heat press is at the temperature that you specified. It's time to put it in use. So I have a shirt on there. I'm not gonna press anything onto it. I'm just gonna slide it in, clamp it down, just to show you how you have to press down. And there you have it. Well, if you made it this far, that means I did a good job with the video. So go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you feel like the content is something you want to see in the future, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification. That way you'll know when I post videos. Here at About Time, we like moving in time with time, so we hope you do the same. Have a great day.